Trying to blur the background of your video without a green screen? Today we're putting CapCut and AVCLabs head-to-head to see which one gives you the cleanest, most professional background blur. Let's test CapCut first. First, upload the video, then drag it to the timeline. Second, drag it to the timeline again. Third, click the above video and choose the customized Remove Background tool. Fourth, add a blur effect to the below video and adjust the strength. Finally, it's done and export it. Now here's AVCLabs. Just import your video. Turn on background blur with AI mode and adjust the strength. There are also different blur effects for your need. And that's it. Now export it. Both CapCut and AVCLabs offer background blur tools, but they're built a little differently. CapCut is great for video editing but take a lot efforts on background blur. AVCLabs, on the other hand, uses AI-based depth detection to blur your background even if you're in motion.